Welcome to CRXzone, a platform for you to trade your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin without a doubt. All you have to do is create an account. Keep watching to learn how. First and foremost, type CRXzone.com in your browser, then click sign up. Just like any other sign up page, enter your particulars and you will receive an email to confirm your account. Here is your account. Just one more step until you can start trading. You need to verify your account. To do this, click Profile, then Personal Address/Information. Now enter your particulars, once again according to the description. Now you have to upload some sort of proof of identity so we are able to verify your identity according to the information you have entered. Here we have a NRIC. Please upload the front and back of whichever form of identity you have chosen. Make sure not to upload an image of yourself. Sounds silly, but you don't know how many times it has happened before. Next, you have to fill out details about your residence and upload a bill, whether it be a utility or bank payment. The image should show your name and address. This again is for verification. Take note, all the information entered here is fake for privacy purposes. Now click Verify Me, and that's it. You're done. Your account will be verified within 24 hours and you will be able to start trading.